Test your intuition in 3, 2, 1. What color lanyard do you think I'll choose? Of course it's gold. Now start with the beads. Where am I headed next? Gold, of course. Looking for some glass beads. Oh, yes, some sea green. So I'm going on a girls' trip and I want to make some cute little keychains for us to hang on our bags. Now I want you to really think about where we might be going. Starts with a B. Besame sent me this beaded keychain making kit. You can make bag charms and keychains with it. This thing is packed with so many beads and everything you need to make 4 keychains and also string for making other things like necklaces, bracelets, you name it. I know we're getting closer. You've probably figured it out by now. My girls' trip. Oh, can I find it? Oh, we're headed to the beach. Whether you're going on a trip like me or you just love to do little DIY crafts at home, I would love it if you would check out the Besame 372-piece bead making kit. It's linked below.